What's up, everyone? Today I'm revealing how you can cruise for free. No clickbait, just real hacks. See this massive ship? Imagine exploring islands, eating unlimited food, and not spending a dime. I've spent a month researching the wildest ways to get on board for free, and I'm sharing the top 7 with you. These are legit strategies people use right now to travel the world for free. I'll break down exactly what to do, who to contact, and how to score these deals. Plus, I've hidden bonus tips throughout the video to double your chances. If you want to live on a cruise ship for free, watch until the end. The last tip is the most mind-blowing. Let's dive in. First up, turn your talent into a free cruise. Cruise ships need entertainers, singers, magicians, comedians, dancers. Instead of paying, you get paid to perform, plus a free cabin, food, and access to the ship. Do a show in the evening, then enjoy the rest of your day like a guest. The key? Create a killer demo reel that shows off your act and energy. Don't just send it to a generic email. Find entertainment directors or agencies specializing in cruise performers. These agencies are your ticket in, impress them, and you're halfway there. Be persistent. Follow up, show your passion, and frame it as a win-win. They get a great performer. You get to travel the world. Start practicing, film your demo, and reach out to agencies. Imagine performing for 1,000 people, then waking up to a new island. This isn't a dream. People are doing it right now. You could be next. It's the ultimate side hustle. Even if you're not a pro, polish your act and give it a shot. The world's biggest stage could be waiting for you. Don't let fear hold you back. This is your chance to cruise for free. Not a performer? No problem. Work as a crew member. Cruise ships are floating cities with jobs for everyone. Chefs, bartenders, housekeepers, shop assistants, youth counselors, photographers, IT techs. Your room and meals are covered, so you keep most of your paycheck. You get paid to travel the world, visiting dozens of countries while saving money. It's not a vacation. Expect long hours. But the trade-off is huge. On breaks, explore amazing destinations like Cozumel or Barcelona. The application is like any job. Tailor your resume, highlight hospitality skills, and apply through cruise line portals or recruitment agencies. Agencies know what cruise lines want and help you through the process. There's a role for almost everyone. Travel, save, and meet people from around the globe. Forget paying for a cruise. Let them pay you. It's a life-changing experience. Take your skills to sea and see the world. This is the ultimate travel hack. Ever heard of repositioning cruises? Most haven't, and that's why they're a goldmine. When ships move between regions for the season, they offer one-way trips at huge discounts. Sometimes you can snag a 2-week transatlantic cruise for a few $100 or even free. Here's the secret. Cruise lines need hosts for bridge clubs, dance classes, or social events on these less popular routes. In exchange for a few hours of hosting, you get a free cabin and meals. Find these by searching for repositioning cruises in spring and fall on sites like Cruise Plum or Vacations to Go. Watch for last-minute deals and network with travel agents for hosting gigs. Be flexible. If you can leave on short notice, you could cross an ocean for free. These opportunities go to those who are ready and connected. It's the ultimate hack for spontaneous travelers. Don't miss out on this hidden gem. Repositioning cruises are the secret ticket to free adventure. Get on board before everyone else finds out. Next up, win your way on board by entering cruise contests. Cruise lines and travel companies give away hundreds of cruises every year as marketing. My team entered over 100 contests in a week. These giveaways are everywhere. Go straight to cruise line websites and bookmark their promotions pages. Follow cruise lines and travel agencies on social media and turn on notifications for new giveaways. Use contest aggregator sites to find daily sweepstakes. Enter contests that require essays or photos. Fewer entries means better odds. Set aside 30 minutes a day to enter as many as you can. It's a numbers game. The more you enter, the better your chances. Someone wins every time. Why not you? If you win, you'll get a trip worth thousands for just a little effort. Don't ignore the impossible. People really do win. Make entering contests a habit. Your free cruise could be just one entry away. Got a phone and love travel? Become a micro-influencer and cruise for free. Cruise lines want authentic content, not just huge followings. They'll give you a free cruise in exchange for posts, videos, or blogs about your experience. Start by building your platform. Document local adventures, review restaurants, and show your storytelling skills. Once you have an engaged audience, even a few thousand followers, create a media kit. Pitch cruise lines with a specific content plan. Show them you know their brand. personalize your pitch and highlight your audience's interests. It might take dozens of pitches, but one yes is all you need. You'll get a free cruise, create content you love, and grow your brand. It's a win-win for you and the cruise line. Don't wait for a huge following. Start now. Your phone is your ticket to the open sea. Build, pitch, and set sail. The influencer life is more accessible than you think. Want a reliable way to cruise for free? Use reward points and loyalty programs. Get a travel rewards credit card with a big sign-up bonus, sometimes enough for a free cruise. Use the card for everyday spending. Pay it off in full and rack up points. Redeem points for cruises through travel portals or erase the charge from your statement. Combine this with cruise line loyalty programs, earn points every time you sail, and unlock perks like free cruises. Even first-timers can buy points or use promotions to get started. The ultimate hack: pay for a cruise with your rewards card, earn credit card points and cruise loyalty points at once. Double dip your way to free travel. Plan smart, spend wisely, and let your everyday purchases take you to sea. This is one of the most consistent ways to cruise for free. Don't leave free travel on the table. Start earning your way to the next adventure. Want to travel with purpose? Volunteer for a research or charity cruise. Nonprofits and universities need volunteers for scientific or humanitarian missions at sea. In exchange for your help, they cover your passage, room, and board. You might help with marine research, deliver medical supplies, or support conservation projects. These aren't tourist trips. They're life-changing experiences. Search for Volunteer at Sea or Conservation Cruise to find opportunities. Organizations like Mercy Ships or marine societies need all kinds of skills. You'll go through an application process, but the rewards are huge. Make a difference, learn new skills, and see the world in a whole new way. This is the most meaningful free cruise you'll ever take. Travel, help others, and create stories you'll never forget. That's it. 7 genius ways to cruise for free. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you've scored a free cruise or have your own hack, share your story below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel hacks. Next time, we'll try living in a 5-star hotel for free. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure. Don't miss it.